Kia ora, ko Blackberry here te Monga, ko Avon te Awa, ko Malaysian Airlines te Waka, ko British Indian te Iwi, ko British Sikh Temple te Marae, ko Satchet Singh tōku ingoa. Kia ora everyone, I'm Satchet Singh. I've been teaching here for just over a year now, and prior to that I was in James Cook for 4.5 years. Passionate for digital technologies and also inspiring our tamariki with opportunities to go and have choices and make mistakes to learn from. Something that surprised me with the Mind Lab was the opportunities to have a go, hands-on. 70% of learning I know takes place by doing, which we did, and we use simple things like animation on the phone, and also Makey Makeys. Playing with those and collaborating with other teachers was something that I was able to bring back to the classroom here at Papakura High School. We're just trying to teach students that what does it mean for them, giving them the onus and self-efficacy to believe in themselves and to give them the agency and autonomy to take responsibility for their own learning. I was able to introduce the student agency not only into my classes but into the coding club. So the code club started last year, July, and it runs every Wednesday after school, no matter what. Even through the lockdown when the coding club didn't happen physically, it was available virtually. The coding club also is offered to the whole community as well as Kai. So students come in to the coding club and they're offered some Kai. And that was all part of the Kaupapa Māori principles that I learned. You've got to engage the community and whānau. Coding Club has grown from like 12 to like over 30 students now. We're not sure if we need another room, but they have been doing coding through Python. Today we will do some activities like Makey Makeys, and we might use some microbits, and there'll be an opportunity to do some Scratch. It caters for all levels of abilities. And that's the beauty about it, is they feel safe and warm, and they feel it's a nice place to be. And I think, like, when I was at school, I didn't kind of have those environments, so that was why I wanted to create that using my my kind of understanding of what I learned at Mind Lab.
Well, I got a lot of inspiration from my good teacher, Mr. Singh, and I thought it was really good to get some extension learning on, and mostly about coding because it's very important, like HTML, creating websites and stuff like that. I want to get into editing, and there's a lot of expressions used, and expressions have to be coded to make it look a particular way, so that's why I'm trying to learn these types of things.
What was interesting to find out was one of the students in year 9 was really passionate about robotics, and at primary school she wasn't given the opportunity to be involved because she felt that she was being pushed away because they were male dominated, and they had the opportunities, and she never did anything after that. So when she found out about the coding club, she joined the coding club. The way I would describe the DCL program, it's given me the autonomy to have a growth mindset. It's just actually ongoing learning, reflection, how can I improve, how can I do something better, how can I share this information, and sharing with other like-minded people who are also passionate.